Hi, beautiful people. It's Mary Brenda once again, and today I am back with something else. So, today I'll be teaching you how to steam a cake using banana leaves. You have no oven, worry no more. So, I'll be teaching you how we steam this cake. You want to you want the recipe for the cake batter that I'm using, check out my simple vanilla cake recipe. It's on this very channel. Check it out. That is the recipe that I'm using. So get a pan that is larger than the cake tin or cake, the saucepan you're using, whatever, whether you're using a saucepan or a cake tin. Yes, get something that is larger than it. It should fit perfectly well, leaving in some spaces. Forgive my hair, I was very tired, so, and then the place was a little hot, so I removed the headgear. Sorry about that. So here I started by covering the cake batter with kitchen paper. You can use aluminum foil. Cover it, seal it properly, because you don't want moisture to enter, the steam to enter into the cake batter. It will make it soggy. You don't want that. So make sure you tightly cover it, securing the edges. So after covering, then I'll show you. There, I'm still taping it down. I'll show you. Forgive my head, really forgive my head. So right there, I've finished securing it, and then I'm going to cut the leaves, those, I don't know how they call them, those blue things on the leaves, to create where my saucepan is going to sit. So that is what I'm going to do next. I don't know how they call those things. Those who know, well, you've understood anyway. So you cut them and put in the saucepan to balance the saucepan, where the saucepan is going to sit, because you don't want to put the saucepan direct into the other saucepan. So we are cutting off those, and then we are going to put in that saucepan. I'm now done. So I'm going to sit the cake pan onto those things. I'm trying to balance them, though at the end of it all I didn't balance them well. But endeavor to make sure where your cake pan is going to be seated is well balanced, because if it is tilted, the cake is going to come out tilted, and you wouldn't want a tilted cake. And another thing that what I'm trying to show there is the cake pan, the bottom has to be flat. So if in case you're using a saucepan or a cooking pot, make sure the bottom is flat. Sit it onto those things, I don't know what they call them. And then the next step is to cover with the banana leaves. So we are covering with the banana leaves because we want to trap in the steam. So to trap in the steam to bake for us the cake, that is the medium of heat that we are going to be using. So we cover it properly with the banana leaves, just like the way here in Uganda, the Baganda cover their matoke. It is the same way. Right now, though we are not doing matoke, we are making a cake. Yes, so cover it properly with the banana leaves, ensuring that you don't tilt the cake pan inside, making sure it is still well balanced. after I'm done tucking in the leaves, just like that, I pour in cold water. The temperature here does not really matter, because even with cold water it comes out perfectly well. So I put in the cold water, and the saucepan I'm using literally will not take me 2 hours. So this is the first water that I'm going to put in, then put it on fire. After about 1 hour, I add in more water. Yes, you can use, okay, to maintain the temperature, use hot water, like later on, like after the 1 hour of steaming. Though usually I use cold water, it doesn't really matter. Yes, so I put in water, and then the next step will be putting it on fire. I'm going to use a charcoal stove. Yes, I'll be putting it on fire. Right there, I put it on fire, and then I'm going to give it 1 hour. Come and add water. Yes, make sure to cover it so that you trap in the steam, because the steam is going to help us bake the cake. So after 1 hour, I'll come back and put in some water. Yeah. So after the 2 hours, it didn't actually take me 2 hours. It took me 1 hour and some 40 minutes, I think. I didn't check the time, but it didn't reach the 2 hours, because the pan that I'm using is literally small, so that means it will bake very fast. I didn't put in a lot of cake batter. So there, I'm done with the steaming. I'm now removing the cake to check it out whether it's ready, and I know it is ready. So you leave it, you steam it for 2 hours. Mine took about 1 hour 40 minutes or less, because I put it at 4:35. I removed it at 6. Yes, I removed it at 6. So it literally didn't take me the 2 hours. Or did it? Oh, what sort of English is that one? So the baking paper helps with the steam, rather than the moisture entering the cake. The baking paper traps it. So, but you can use aluminium foil, though I prefer this. Use aluminium foil. Actually, aluminium foil works very, very well. Yeah, because I remember I used to use aluminium foil. It works perfectly well. Right there, our cake is perfectly baked, or rather steamed. The saucepan tilted a bit. Okay, the cake pan tilted a bit, so it is not balanced. But anyway, what matters is now you know how to steam a cake. You don't really need an oven. Maybe if it's for commercial use, you can steam a cake and enjoy with your family. So try it out and give me feedback. As I said, I am a very strict teacher, so I would like to know if I've helped someone out there. Don't be a dormant student. Please comment, tell me, try it out and let me know. Or tag me. My Instagram is, the link is in the description box. The link is on this very channel. Follow me, DM me. I'm not very active, but I'll be active for your sake. So let me be your mentor. Let me know how this goes out for you. Give me the feedback. How is the cake? Does it come out after steaming? Yeah, I would like to know. Share with your friends if this is useful. Don't keep the information to yourself, because we want to help everybody. Whoever is in need of this. Someone that has the passion for baking, or just wants to bake for family, friends. Yeah, bake and let me know. So there I was showing the cake, the pan tilted, so it wasn't equal. One side was inches high and the other side a little lower. Yes, so that is it for our steamed cake. Yes, thank you for sticking with me. Please subscribe for more useful baking tips and cooking tips. Thank you. I remain truly yours, Mary Brenda. See you next time. So God bless you. Have a wonderful time. Is it morning, evening, whatever it is? Have a wonderful time. Stay blessed.